And I'm Mario.
And we're with Balloons. This year in 2022, we wanted to start this channel to show you what it takes to run our business.
We have a few installs this weekend, but we want to share with you a very special one, which is for Alex's birthday. So come join us.
Welcome back, guys. We have big plans for this channel and we'll count on you to give us suggestions in the comment section below as to what you would like to see more of on these behind the scene videos. Fun fact, I don't like tying the garland and Alex doesn't like to inflate balloons, so I inflate all the balloons we have for the weekend and then she comes and ties long bases for easy transportation. In other words, she does all the easy work. We'll show you more of this process in future videos. How many quads do you think we inflated here and that Alex is putting together on these bases? Comment down below what you think. Now we're gonna get into the fun part. Watch as we transform this little corner of our house into a stunning backdrop for Alex's big 4-0. This is one of the backdrops we recently purchased. We love the touch of the shimmering gold piece behind the LED sign. Let us know what you think in the comments. As we mentioned earlier, the purpose of this channel is to show you what we do behind the scenes. In other words, how we prepare for the weekends, how we distribute the work among the team members, in other words, me doing all the work, how we coordinate jobs, how we come up with the colors and designs, and a lot more. In the meantime, you know the deal. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our next video, and make sure that you like it too. Making one of these videos has been more difficult than making a garland, but I promise that we'll get better. Here's a quick sneak peek of the final product. Hope you guys enjoyed this first video as much as we did. Stay tuned for the next videos. We'll be taking you on a tour of our shop. See you then.